Hey, good morning, everyone. So now today we are going to start over with our new topic, that is addition and subtraction together. So till now we have been doing addition with similar numbers, right? Add-ins, and then we have been doing subtraction. Now here we have one complete question in which we have subtraction and addition both. So here in such types of questions, what we need to do is first, suppose it is like this number. See, if though no sign is there just before a number, so it means that it's an addition number. There is an addition sign, and the number, it has a minus sign with it, so it has a minus sign and this is plus sign, right? So first thing we are going to do is to arrange the addition numbers first. Please remember, in whenever we have addition subtraction together, we are going to first add. So I am going to arrange the numbers like 2843 and 4885, and then subtract 5698, right? So let's get started. Let's add first. Write down our places over here. Then I have to, in addition, add-ins, you can either write this first or this first, it doesn't matter, you will get the same answer. So plus sign 4885, and you will get your total. We will start from the ones place. 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 carry over. Then 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 17, 1 carry over, and 7. So it is 7728. Now our subtraction is left. So I will take this number, write down my places first, and then this number I have to take as minuend, because see, this number we have to subtract from this number. This is our minuend, right? So subtrahend is my 5698. This is the subtraction sign. See, till now we have not got our final answer. This is not our final answer. This is the complete question. We need to completely solve it, and then we will get our final answer. So now here 8 minus 8 is 0. Now here 2, it is in tens place. 2 is weaker than 9. So I will knock the next door and ask for some help. So here I have 700. So it will become 600s and 100s. How many tens are there in 100? 10. So it became 12. I'm just repeating the concept for more clarity, for just revision's sake. So 12 minus 9 is 3, 6 minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. So now my final answer is 2030, right? So I'll do one more question for you guys so that there is absolute clarity about such types of questions. Now here it was minus in between. Now here if you see, it is already arranged in a manner that we wanted. How come that both are these addition, both the numbers are for addition, and then we have subtraction? So no need to go for this stage, this step. It is already arranged, so we will directly go and solve it. So we have over here the add-ins 2932, put a plus sign. So remember, everyone, whenever you are doing such sums in your notebooks, blocks, in which we have blocks, so remember always to write one digit in one block. This will give you more clarity with the places also, and the work will also be quite neat. Okay, so 5 plus 2 is 7, then 0 plus 3, you add any number to 0, you get the same number. 9 plus 1 is 10, and it is 6. Now we have got our addition, this total. Now subtraction is left, so I will bring it over here. Such arrows makes your work more clearer, that yes, you got this minuend from where? Here. So I'll write my minuend and then my subtrahend to get my difference. Now here 7, now 7 is weaker than 9, 3 is also weaker, 0 is also. So we all three of them, step by step, we are going to get help from the thousands place. Now 6,000, it has become 5,000. How many hundreds are there in 1,000? 10. So now we have to lend further. It became 900s. This is 13 tens. It became 12 tens and it became 17 ones. Right? So 17 minus 9, 8. 12 minus 9, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So I got my final answer, that is 1038. See, it's very easy. It's all addition and subtraction we have done, but only to take care is that this is for subtraction. You cannot add anything to it, right? And these are for addition. So you need to add first. Whenever you have addition, subtraction together, add first and then subtract. And then you will get your final answer. Okay, bye.